Hey everyone, I'm Suman and welcome to Tech Support. We've all got one. That old laptop sitting in a drawer, gathering dust because it's too slow for modern Windows. Today, we're going to stop that waste. We are transforming this old Lenovo laptop into a professional-grade home server. Why a laptop? Well, they're actually perfect for this. They have a built-in UPS, the battery. They use very little power compared to a desktop, and they come with a built-in monitor and keyboard for easy troubleshooting. By the end of this 31-minute deep dive, you'll have your own private cloud for movies, photos, and even a Minecraft server for your friends. Before we touch the software, we need to look at the bones. For this Lenovo, I'm checking the RAM and the storage. If you're doing this at home, I highly recommend swapping any old spinning hard drives for a cheap SATA SSD. It makes a world of difference in server responsiveness. Safety first. Always disconnect the internal battery before you start poking around with the RAM or SSD. Once the upgrades are in, give it a quick blast of compressed air. Servers run 24/7, so we need to make sure the cooling fans are clear of dust to prevent overheating. Now let's head over to the main PC. We're downloading the Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS ISO. LTS stands for long-term support, which is exactly what you want for a server. Stability over flashy new features. To flash this to our USB drive, I'm using Balena Etcher. It's simple and reliable. Just select your ISO, pick your flash drive, and hit Flash. While that's working, and once the flashing process is complete, you can exit out of Balena Etcher, eject your flash drive. Make sure your laptop is connected to your router via an Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi is great for phones, but for a server, you want the reliability of a wired connection. Pop the USB into the laptop and hammer that F12 or FN plus F12 key to get into the boot menu. Once we boot into the installer, the process is mostly text-based, but don't let that intimidate you. Just follow the prompts. Key tip here. When it asks about the network, try to set a static IP right now. This ensures your server address never changes. If you leave it on DHCP, your router might change the IP address tomorrow. We'll also select Install Open SSH Server, so we can control this laptop from our main computer without needing to keep... the laptop lid. After we tweak a few settings to prevent it from sleeping, instead of memorizing 100 Linux commands, we're going to install CasaOS that will allow us to easily install applications, services, and manage our server further. To do this, you will have to do is head to the link in the description to this page right here, the CasaOS website, and copy this command down right here. And do everything else from your web browser. Just type the server's IP address into your browser and boom, your personal home cloud dashboard is live. Is the fun part. Inside the CasaOS App Store, we're installing Jellyfin. It's an open-source alternative to Plex or Netflix. Point it to your movie folder, and it will automatically pull in posters and descriptions for your media library. Next is Immich. If you're tired of paying for Google Photos storage, this is the solution. It looks and feels just like Google Photos, but runs entirely on your hardware. Your privacy is back in your hands. And for the gamers, we're adding Crafty Controller. It lets you manage Minecraft worlds with a GUI, making it easy to start or stop servers and manage backups. To let your friends join your Minecraft server or access your photos while you're away from home, we're using playit.gg. It creates a secure tunnel so you don't have to deal with the security risks of port forwarding on your router. And that's it. We've taken a laptop that was headed for the recycling bin and turned it into a powerhouse. You now have a media center, a photo vault, and a game server running in your own home. If you ran into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. I'm Suman, this is Tech Support, and I'll see you in the next one.